Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cutting power and confirming the fixture is cool, safety first. Once done, set your ladder securely and wear gloves and glasses so you can handle a broken or hot bulb. Make sure you have the exact replacement bulb. Matching wattage and base type matters because the wrong bulb can overheat or fail. Also grab a small screwdriver in case the trim or cover is fastened. This initial preparation prevents damage and speeds the next steps. With power off and ladder stable, remove the fixture trim or cover, twist, unscrew, or unclip as needed, supporting the assembly so it doesn't fall. Once open, support the bulb with one hand while you unthread or pull it straight out. Some spot bulbs twist out, others pull. After extraction, inspect the socket and trim for corrosion, debris, or heat damage. Cleaning or minor repairs now avoid premature failure. If the socket looks damaged, replace it before installing. Align the replacement bulb with the socket and seat it firmly. Don't force it. The right fit should turn or push in smoothly. Reattach the trim or cover so it's secure, then restore power and observe the light. Check for steady illumination and correct beam orientation. After a few minutes, make sure it doesn't overheat. If you see flicker or no light, turn power off and recheck seating and connections, try a different bulb, and verify the breaker. Socket damage or wiring issues need attention.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.